All right, let's take a look at some extra things that you can do with GAF or Google Apps for Education. One thing that can be very helpful are Google extensions and apps. So if we go up here to the top left corner and click on Apps and then go to the Web Store. So once you go here, you have extensions, themes, apps, games. So all of these are things that you can add to your Google Chrome account. But if we just go ahead and search, it's going to pull up all of them, so you don't have to pick one or the other. And so if we just search for math, it's going to pull up, different extensions for math, some themes if you want to change the background, and then apps. And with an app, this is pretty much just a link to a website. So it'll just make it a little bit easier for you to get to that website. So here are some, math games that you could play. The extensions are what go up here in the top right corner, and it's just something that is added onto your Chrome account, and you can use it along with some of the different tools within Google Apps for Education. One that I want to show you is Read and Write. And when we search it, so this is a Chrome extension, and so if I click Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension, and it just takes a second to add this. And once it adds this, what this will do is it will give you the ability to read the script on any page. And so you see up here, it came in and it has a little purple icon with RW. And so if I click on that, it's going to pull up, and the first time you'll have to click Allow. And then when we click that again, it's going to give us the option to read that page. Now, certain pages, it may not read what's on there. Like this is not one of your normal pages, but like if we go to something like Time for Kids and we pull up one of the articles, it will read that article for you. And so it comes in handy for, students who, struggling with reading, and you can have, it'll go through and read that article for them, or read that paper as they are writing. It's taking a little bit to load, so let me just go back. So, that's just one example. There's all kinds of, different extensions and things that you can add to your Chrome account that will make it easier. One that I use quite a bit right here is goo.gl, and this is just a URL shortener. And so you can see I've already added this, and it has this right here. So what this does is when I click on it, it gives me a shortened URL. So if I'm looking up here and it's kind of a long URL, you don't want to have someone type that in. So if you click on this and then it gives you the shortened URL, you just click copy and it'll copy it, and then you can paste it. Or you can even do a QR code, and you can copy and paste that QR code somewhere. And so that way, any web page that you're on, you can quickly get a shortened URL or QR code for your students, or just for other people to get to that same website that you're trying to get them to. So it could be a Google document, or it could just be a link that you want them to go to. So take some time, go into the Chrome Web Store, search from some different extensions, see if there's something that, would be useful to you to add it to your Chrome account. And I will do a couple specific ones in the next video.